Today's video is my new vlogging room tour. Bit of a mouthful, innit? Remember, click like, subscribe and keep watching. Hi beauties! So yes, this is my new vlogging room. I am so pleased with it. Did it all on a budget. All on a budget. When I was doing the thingamajiggy, I forgot to say that these units here cost me £16 each. And then I already had the paint and I already had the gloss. The shelves were already up, I just glossed them. So this room did not cost me a lot, and I've just got to finish painting the 2 units. So I'm really pleased with it. And it's so nice as well that I took everything downstairs, you know, like a sort of little office sort of way in my dining room. But it's nice now because I can just shut that door and I can just sit in here, and this is for one thing and one thing only. This is my space. Not for sleeping, not for eating, not for anything other than my space for my tarots, my crystals, my blogging, my vlogging. So yes, so enough yip yap from me. I'll show you my room. So let's start off with the door. So I've got a nice little cushioned notepad. Can you hear the floor? It's squeaky. This canvas I made myself because I love that sort of thing. This I made for my daughter's room, but since we've changed it around, she no longer wants it in her room because it doesn't go with her decor. So I've finished it. And a shelf with some candles on it. Now these, I'm keeping them, but obviously I'm going to paint them. So these at the moment are things that I'm going to be blogging about. Now I've got my essential oils. Down the bottom there's a few missing because they're downstairs. I love my essential oils, especially these ones. Eden Camellia, I think it's pronounced. Got my go-go's to go back onto this shelf. I mean, I've still got a bit of organising to do. But like, there's my tarot cards and a few little books and petals, and then my stones, my crystals and things. I love these. And then my lamp out of my bedroom. Look at that. It's a picture of my daughter from years ago. Shh, don't tell her. And then over here, there's my empties bag. So over here, we did have curtains up here. He is a Tottenham supporter, so we had Tottenham, I made them, Tottenham curtains, and this was covered in Tottenham stickers because it's so awkward, such a tiny little window and really awkward. So what I did was, because I wanted some light to come in, I've just put some frosted back on it, and then that way nobody can see me. And then the computer has still got to be set up yet, because my printer and all that's connected to that, and then I've got the webcam for backup and everything. Nice big desk. So this desk was from IKEA and it was only, I think, £35, and it was so easy to put together because the holes were already underneath, and then you screwed in a plate and then you just screw the legs on, and the legs have got like little things as well to make it level, so that was really good. The mirror, hello. The mirror was out of my daughter's room, again didn't go with her decor. I didn't want it completely black, but what I did was I rusticked it up a little so that when I'm filming now I've got my viewfinder. Love the flowers and the little glass that it's in, and my music for when I'm busy and just want to listen to some music, and obviously the laptop and my lovely chair. And then this side, again, because it's such an awkward room, if you can see the roof, it is a nightmare. So 2 big bookshelves with all stuff to do with blogging and things. Then this shelf is my favourite shelf. This is my Beauty and the Beast little collection coming up now. My daughter spent a fortune on this for Mother's Day. Nice little purse one, and the little makeup bag. My friend bought me the slippers, but I don't want to use them. She got me them for Christmas. Beautiful little candle, but I don't want to touch it. Smells really nice. It says "You're fabulous," and this was from my son. Along with the cup, you have a heart of gold, and I don't want to use them. So, but I've still got to sort of organise all this. Yeah, it was just me putting it together at the moment. You know, some of my makeup I've now brought in here. Oh, I'll move that out then. Down there is bits that need sorting out, bits that were sent to me that I still haven't got round to getting onto yet. But now, like I say, now my room's done, I will be able to. Nice little comfy chair. I've got to sort the light out, because that light, we're going to need more lighting, because I'll show you in a minute. You probably noticed it before. And then this, if you was on Instagram or Facebook, you would have noticed this. My daughter bought me some of these, well, not some, she bought me all these photographs for Christmas as a gift, and they're like Polaroid framed, so they are beautiful. And I've just put in a Sharpie things like this one here. We were doing a surprise party for our friends, so it's a surprise. Yay, my middle pillow, because I love my middle pillow, as my best friends know. Yeah, you know, I just put little sort of captions to them. They are mad, but they are beautiful. So I bought a lovely frame for it. That over there we won't talk about, because that is the junk side at the moment. I am going to get a nice thing to go down there. My tripod, which is going to go on the table in a moment. So yeah, so it's only a small room, but you get lots in it. So what I was talking about before about the light, so over there you can see it is natural light, but behind me it is like a yellow. I mean, I bought a new shade. If I turn the light off, I bought a new shade for it, but it doesn't give, you know, it gives off like a yellow sort of colour, but I do get enough natural light over there, which is really nice. So again, I just need to use my lights to give a little bit more natural stuff. So yeah, so that's that. So there you have my room. So what do you reckon? Is it worth a thumbs up? Is it worth a subscribe? I don't know. But as you can see, I am now up and running. Again, I've got no excuses now not to do my videos, so the videos will be coming in again. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I need to stop swinging on my chair. No, I do need to stop swinging on my chair. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, beauties, always do what makes you happy. Bye.